Here's Herb parked up on the campsite, and this way we've got blue sky, but that way I know it's coming out. There's this enormous black cloud starting there all the way across it, and there it's raining. You can see it coming down. And here's Jane coming across from the toilet block. I haven't got my slippers on. I couldn't resist filming that because it's so incredible, isn't it? The difference. As I say, here's Herb, and look at that black cloud. Look at this storm cloud coming in. And as I say, it starts about there and it's all the way across here. Actually, looking up, it's almost on top of us, so I think that's going to be chucking it down in a minute. It's black all the way around, but this way it's blue sky. Look at that. It's good, really good. So really enjoyed this holiday. We'll come down here again. Bit of a drive on the A14. Don't like the A14. Going back, we think we're going to try and miss some of the A14 out around Cambridge and rejoin it round Godmanchester. That's the plan. Take some side roads. But thanks for watching the video, and this is going to be the end of this one. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.